Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, enough storage and a stable connection. Once done, sign into the same Google account that manages updates. Then restart the device to clear transient issues. This often resets background locks. Make sure to open Settings, go to Apps, find Google Play Store, and pause. Don't change anything yet. These steps prepare the environment so the deeper fixes that follow will run cleanly, and they eliminate common blockers without delay. You now take control of Play System apps. Force stop Google Play Store and Google Play services. This halts stuck processes. Clear cache for both. Cache often holds corrupt files. If apps still refuse updates, clear Play Store data. This resets settings and removes local queues. Once done, sign back into your Google account if you removed it earlier. These actions restart the update engine. They fix permission mismatches and corrupted queues that simple restarts don't address. You finish by ensuring the Play Store itself is current. Download and install the latest Play Store APK from a trusted source if the app won't update automatically. Next, check for Android system updates and install them. System patches often restore broken services. If none of this works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If problems continue after reset, contact device support. But usually, these steps restore up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.